Hey guys, welcome back to another adventure. Today, we're in Johnson City, Tennessee, hitting Tannery Bike Park. This place is super sick, and I cannot believe it's taken me so long to get out here. I got my buddy Canadian Karl with me. We're gonna hope to get some of his confidence back. It's been a while since he's been out riding. Took a gnarly crash, broke his collarbone, couple of ribs. So where do you think your confidence level's at nowadays?
I would say to the ground, just because I can't go any lower than that. Hopefully we're out here, I'm gonna change that, just getting back out on the bike.
This place has been on my hit list for a while now, and you can see why behind me. This Velosolutions pump track looks amazing. I can't wait to get warmed up on it before getting into some more technical trails. The black diamond here looks really sketchy. Hopefully I can get that by the end of the day. Let's get on the bikes and get to it.
Oh yeah.
Next up on the list is going to be Mountain Express. This one's a blue, supposed to have some jumps, maybe a little bit steeper too. And I've heard some exposure, which has me a little bit worried, but just gonna try to keep my eyes on the trail, just keep reminding myself not to look down. Let's do it. Little rock jump there. A little muddy through that section. Ooh, got a little tight through there. Nice little double there. A little double into this turn. Ooh, she's sharp. Little tabletop action. Another double, had to work for that one though. Coming out of that turn too slow. Ooh, this one's a treacherous one. Ooh, God. Man, it's nice and loose. And when I say nice, I mean not nice. Little step up. Tabletop. Let's try to come higher. Yeah, avoid all that loose stuff. Pretty fast trail. Whew. Some exposure here. Eyes on the trail. Oh buddy. Looks like that was it. Wow. Okay. I must say, that was a lot more fun than I expected. The uphill trail to get back to the top after the blue is rough. I've had to walk one section. There's plenty of these switchbacks. They're just straight out of hell. How much longer till the top? How are we not there yet? Next trail is the Black Diamond. So I am doing a little course walk to make sure nothing surprises me. Gonna give her a go. I'm not sure if you can tell, but I'm a little nervous about this one. But that's okay, because if you're not doing stuff that challenges you, makes you a little bit nervous, then you're not really progressing. So I want to progress, I want to get better, and that means doing some stuff that scares me. Oh no. Oh no. This trail can get really gnarly really quick if you don't keep your eyes on the trail. I almost went off the side there. Thank God I didn't. It's a long ways down. All right guys, the sun's on its way down, so we're gonna go and wrap it up here at Tannery Knob. I know I had an awesome time. What do you think about the trails here, Karl?
I've got to say, this was a perfect trail to kind of reintroduce myself to getting back on the bike after such a long hiatus.
Dude, you did an awesome job today. I'm really proud of you for hitting some Black Diamond trails that I did not think you'd even touch with the 10-foot pole, so way to go, my friend.
Thanks, thank you so much.
If you have a friend that hasn't been out to Tannery Knob yet, feel free to share the video with them, and don't forget to subscribe. If you do, we'll catch you on the next adventure.